Hello everyone, and now do the actual calculation on directional derivatives. So in this video we will see how we find directional derivatives along the vector, then along the surface, normal to the surface, towards the point, towards the line, or along the line, parallel to the line. We will see all these concepts. So take the first example here. Find the directional derivative of phi. Phi is equal to xy plus yz plus xz at 1, 2, 3 in the direction. So first question is along the vector 3I bar plus 4j bar plus 5k bar along the vector. Second one is along the direction normal to the surface x square plus y square plus z square equal to 4 at 1, 1, 1. Third one is towards the point 2 minus 1 3, and fourth one is along the direction parallel to the line 2 into x minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to 3 into z plus 1. So this is the big question. Here del phi is common for us, or function phi is common for all examples, so we take all four in one step. So we one by one we are going to solve it. So our first job to find directional derivative is finding the del phi, gradient of scalar function. So here finding del phi, we know that. So take the first phi. Phi is equal to, let phi is equal to xy plus yz plus xz. So del phi is equal to I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z. You may take it directly, or you may find derivative at each point, a derivative with respect to x, y, z at point 1, 2, 3, and then we will substitute here, you will get the value of del phi. So anyway you can do which one is simpler. In last example, in our last examples I have shown both the ways to you, directly also or one by one also. So here also I can take one by one, dou phi by dou x, so that many students able to solve it easily. So dou phi by dou x with respect to x, phi is here, take with respect to x, with respect to x y, derivative of x is 1, here there is no x, so 0, plus xz, a derivative of x is 1, so here z, y plus z, then dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou y is x plus z, and then third one is dou phi by dou z is equal to y plus x, right? At which point we have to find it? At, yes, it is given in our problem at 1, 2, 3, this point 1, 2, 3. So we find at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 3. Put the value here. So dou phi by dou x at 1, 2, 3, it is 2 plus 3, so it is 5. Then next one is dou phi by dou y at point 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 3, so it is 4. Then dou phi by dou z at point 1, 2, 3, so here 2 plus 1, it is 3. So I get 3 values, 5, 4, 3. So my answer is del phi is equal to, put here I bar, j bar, k bar, 5 I bar plus 4 j bar plus 3 k bar, using the concept of del phi. Understood? So this is our del phi, and this is my first first equation to solve this problem, because I know that I have same phi which I have to use for a, b, c, d. So a part is, read the question carefully, a part is along the vector 3I bar plus 4j bar plus 5k bar. So along the vector, this vector 3I bar plus 4j bar plus 5k bar, called it as a bar. So we give the name a bar is equal to 3I bar plus 4j bar plus 5k bar. Now find mod of a bar along the vector. Once we get a vector, find mod of a bar. Mod of a bar is under root of 3 square, it is 9, 4 square it is 16, 5 square it is 25. So we will get here root 50. 9 plus 16 25, 25 plus 25 it is root 50, or you may write here 5 root 2. Doesn't matter, we can write root 50 also. A cap. So our next job is finding A cap. A cap is equal to A bar upon mod of A bar. So 3I bar plus 4J bar plus 5K bar divided by 5 root 2. Okay, so this is our A cap. So directional derivative is equal to dd, in short we call directional derivative is equal to del phi at point. At which point? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z means our 1, 2, 3 point. Dot A cap is equal to del phi. Del phi means our first equation. See carefully. 5I bar, 4J bar plus 3K bar. So 5I bar plus 4J bar plus 3K bar. Correct? Dot product with A cap. A cap means 3I bar plus 4J bar plus 5K bar, right, upon 5 root 2. Okay, so is equal to, we know how to take dot product, 5 into 3, 5 into 3 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 5 divided by 5 root 2. So our answer is 5 into 3, 15, 15 plus 16, 16 plus 15. So it is 46 upon 5 root 2. So this is our answer of the first question, A bar, our A part. So our A part is along the vector 3I bar plus 4J bar plus 5K bar. Now we will solve the second one. We will solve the second answer, the second one. So second one is, the question is second one, which one? Along the direction normal to the surface x square plus y square plus z square equal to 4 at 1, 1, 1. So call that surface, one surface is given, call that surface as phi 1. Which is that surface? X square plus y square plus z square minus 4 equal to 0. And at which point I have to find it? So point is given there at 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now I just keep that problem also in front of you. This del phi is needed for us, our equation number 1, 5I bar plus 4J bar plus 3K bar in the last step. Now we will see how to find our A bar, because as soon as we get A bar we can find A cap, right? And dd is equal to del phi at point xyz dot A cap, we get our answer. So phi 1 is there, so find del phi 1. Will you take directly the derivative? So derivative with respect to x is 2x, so 2x I bar. Next one is 2y j bar plus 2z k bar. Understood it directly? Derivative of x square is 2x, others 0, so 2x I bar. With respect to y, 2y, others 0, so 2y j bar, then 2z k bar. At which point? 1, 1, 1. So del phi 1 at point 1, 1, 1 is equal to, just put value of x, y, z 1, 1, 1. So here 2I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar, and call this vector as A bar. This is my notation A bar I have given. Now mod of A bar is under root of 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is root 12, or you may write 4 root 3. 3 times 4. Correct. So A cap is equal to A bar upon mod of A bar is equal to 2I bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar upon 4 root 3. Now directional derivative dd is equal to del phi at point xyz dot A cap is equal to our dd, first equation Have you remember our first equation? Have you noted it? 5I bar plus 4J bar plus 3K bar. So I just take that 5I bar plus 4J bar plus 3K bar dot with 2I bar, here our equation 2I bar plus 2J bar plus 2K bar upon 4 upon root 3 is equal to, take the product, 5 into 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 2 upon 4 root 3. So our final answer is 10 plus 8 plus 6 upon 4 root 3, that is 24 upon 4 root 3, or you may write 6 upon root 3. So this is our answer. Hope you have understood it. Thanks for watching. Remaining part C and D we will continue in our next video.